Hey guys, it's Hatestar here. It's been a long time, but I'm back with another handy hint for your Santa Fe. Here's the Santa Fe key fob for models that range from year 2009 through to 2012. And just say, like me, your battery has running down a bit and you're not able to unlock the cars essentially anymore. You'll want to change the battery. I don't even need to open this up to show you because I can just quickly tell you what to do, make this nice and quick and easy. There's a little indentation up the top of the fob there, and you just grab a screwdriver. Just grab a screwdriver and whack it in there. Pop the key fob open and whack your new battery in. Now this particular key fob takes a CR2032 and you'll see the old battery in there. You just flip the old battery out, put the new battery in, positive down, and stick the key fob back together. It's really easy, it just clicks into place and that's it, you're done.